Okay, hi guys. This is Go Math Lesson 12.6, page 509 for Friday, May 15th. All right, on this lesson, we're going to use pattern blocks. And pattern blocks are just blocks that are in the shapes of our regular shapes, like trapezoid, hexagon, square, triangle, rectangle, circle. Okay, so they want us to use those shapes to make a big shape. So we're going to use one hexagon and two triangles. So you want to just go ahead and draw your hexagon, okay? So remember it has 6 sides, so like a top, a bottom, and then a side and a side and a side and a side with kind of like a little V. So for me it's easiest just to do my top, my bottom, and then connect it with like kind of a sideways V on both sides. Okay, there's my hexagon, and then I need to use 2 triangles. I can really put those triangles anywhere you want, so I'm just going to put one at the top and maybe one at the bottom. Remember, triangles have 3 sides. Okay, so I made a new shape. Yours can be however you would like. Okay, so here we're going to use determine, look at a shape this time, and determine which pattern blocks is used to make that shape. So here I can see in this shape, if I draw this line right here, I can see they used a triangle, so they circled triangle, and then this one is the hexagon, it's just turned. So I can see that. So those are the 2 shapes that they made. Okay, so we're going to find 2 blocks to make each shape. And we're going to draw the line to show which blocks we used and circle. So if we only need to use 2 blocks, then I can see this is probably a hexagon here. So here would be the line for the side. So that would be the hexagon with 6 sides. And then at the bottom, it makes a trapezoid with 4 sides, with a short one and a long one, and then 2 at angles. So those are the 2 shapes. Okay, so over here, I can kind of see that maybe there is a hexagon here. And then what shape would that be? So, 2 shapes. Let's see. If I did, let's use a pencil, so that way if we make a mistake, we can erase. So if we make a line straight across, that would be a triangle right here, but then this does not make one of these shapes. And it can only be 2, so it can't be a triangle. Let's see, if we were doing a hexagon, the line would be about right there, right? And then I see we made a diamond. So our shapes are, if we draw that line at the top there, a hexagon and a diamond, okay? Okay, so again, we're going to pick 2 of the shapes and draw them and circle them, okay? So which 2 shapes did they use? All right, so this by itself looks like a trapezoid, but it has to be divided into 2 shapes. So if I make a triangle right here, that kind of looks like that would make a diamond shape. So let's try that. If I do a triangle, then I have a triangle, and then I have a diamond. There's my 2 shapes. Okay. Then let's look at this one. What do we see here? So if I see these 2 sides angled and then maybe a short side and a long side, that could be the trapezoid. And then maybe that would be a diamond. Let's give that a try. Yes, so a trapezoid, and then here's the diamond. So the shapes are on their sides sometimes turned. Okay, I have a big triangle here, but I need 2 shapes. So, that's going to be interesting. I know I could make a triangle here. If I make a triangle here, could that also be a trapezoid with a long side and then a short side and then 2 angled? It would be just turned the opposite way. So let's try that. Put that line there. There's our triangle. And then here is our trapezoid. It's just turned upside down. So we have to kind of picture that in our brain. All right, so here we have a big trapezoid, but what two shapes could be in this one? So let's think. If we made this trapezoid a little bit smaller, would we make another shape over here? Let's try that. And then, well, if you put your line a little better than I did, this line, then we have a diamond shape here and a trapezoid there. Ah, okay. Now this one kind of looks like a fish. We need to use 3 pattern blocks for this one, 3. So I see we could probably use a hexagon because I kind of see that shape there, but then I have to have 3. So I can't just do a hexagon and a trapezoid, although I would see that. But if I made that a hexagon, let's use a pencil. So let's see, could it be a hexagon? And if that's a trapezoid, that's only 2 shapes. I need 3 shapes. How would I make that into 3 shapes? If I made a triangle, and so then I have a hexagon, a triangle here, and a diamond here. There's my 3 shapes. So a hexagon is the big one, a triangle, and then a diamond are my 3 shapes. Okay, so this time we have this shape, and we're going to do it in 4 different ways. So we have to pick 4 different blocks. So we're going to use a pencil because we might need to draw it on there, and then we might have to erase. So a pencil is going to be best for this. So we need to find 3 blocks that could make this shape. So 3 blocks. Okay, so I kind of can see there might be a trapezoid here. If I made this a trapezoid, that would be 1, but I need 3. If I made this one a diamond, see a diamond here? That's 2. And then, oh, look, another trapezoid. So that's 3. So we used 2 trapezoids and 1 diamond to make 3. Okay, but now we're going to need to erase that because now this time we have to use 5 blocks. Okay, so 5 blocks. Let's see, how can we make 5 blocks? So if we did 3 there, oh, I have an idea. What if we leave those lines there? Okay, we make 1 trapezoid, 2 trapezoids, and then if we did this, that would be 2 triangles. So that's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's only 4. That's not enough. So that won't work. So we're going to have, let's erase this line and keep this a diamond. What if we made some triangles here? Now I have 1, 2, 3 triangles, 4 a trapezoid, 5 a diamond. Ah, I think we did it. So we used 3 triangles, 1 diamond, and 1 trapezoid. That's our 5 blocks. Now we need to do 7 blocks. Well, if we were able to make 3 triangles here, could we make 3 triangles here? And 3 plus 3 is 6, and 1 more is 7. So let's try that. So let's make a triangle, and then another triangle. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles, and 1 diamond. That's 7. So 6 triangles and 1 diamond. Now we need to make 8. So we already have 7. We just need to make 1 more. What about if we make this diamond into 2 triangles? Let's count how many we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 triangles we were able to use to make that shape. All right, down at the bottom, we need to use 4 pattern blocks to fill in this shape. Okay, 4. So I can see we kind of have, it's really easy to see that hexagon right there and a trapezoid, but that would only be 2. if we turn these into triangles, that would be 3. And this would be 1 more, would be 4. Let's try that. So triangle, 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 and then a hexagon. That is 4 blocks, right? So we used 1 of these and 3 triangles to make our 4. You might be able to find another way. You can do that. You can practice that some more over here. Okay, our packet lesson today is lesson 8 on page 243, and this is our addition. So this one we're going to be adding a 1-digit number to a 2-digit number. So, and remember, a 2-digit number has 10s and 1s. So when we add a 2-digit number, we want to add all of our 10s together and all of our 1s together. So for adding 5 10s and 4 1s, because that's what 54 is, 5 10s and 4 1s. Remember, if we put our little chart here, the 10s are here, the 1s are here, right? O for 1s, T for 10, and 2 1s is here. So we could easily just say 54 and count 2 more, 54, 55, 56, and we would know the answer is 56. So if you have your 100 chart in your folder or in the back of your book, you could use your 100 chart, just go to 54 and go 2 more hops. Remember to go forward because this is a plus, so you go 55, 56. That's one way. Another way you can add these when you're adding a 2-digit number to a 1-digit number is just think about making that little T chart. Okay, see my little T there? All the 10s are on this side, all the 1s are on this side. So you can add all your 1s together and write them going down and add all your 10s. So 2 plus 3, so I know 2 and 3 more. 1, 2, 3 is 5. And then 7 and no 10s, that's 7 plus 0, I know is just 7. So my answer is 75. You could also go to your 100 chart, go 72, and then go 3 hops forward, 73, 74, 75. Okay, either way. So this one's easy, 24 and plus 1 more. So what's 1 more number after 24? 25. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Add all your 1s and then add your 10s. 2 and nothing is 0, so just a 2. 25. Okay, same thing here. 41 plus 4. Do your 1s first. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus nothing is 4. Okay? So you do the rest of those on that page. And at the back, you have exactly the same thing. So you can either use your 100 chart and count forward, or add all your 1s together and then your 10s. All right, let's do number 25 together. There are 23 children in the first grade class. Then 3 more children joined the class. How many children are there now? So we have 23 and then 3 more join. That means we're adding. If more come, we're adding. So we can write our problem as 23 plus, and the 3 needs to go under the 1s place, okay? Because 3 is just 3 1s. It's not 10s. So we could say 23 and count 3 more. 24, 25, 26. So we would know it would be 26. Because 3 plus 3 is 6, and 2 plus nothing is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. So 26 children are now in the class. Okay, have a great day.